Hello friends. Now the next topic is on student table, one of the most important table that we should know about, and starting from the roll number. Here I am going to type roll number, name, subject name like English, Hindi, maths, science, then total, average, pass fail, grade. Here I am typing 1 and 2. Like I have already discussed about the autofill series, here I would like to extend this and then autofill this. Like I'm going to write names from the custom list. This is the custom list. So the first name is Nisha and I would like to autofill this, and I'm writing random score in the subjects. Now the first formula that we will learn here is the sum formula. You can simply write equal, then sum, open bracket, and then simply select these subjects and then close this and then enter. Then click on this and simply auto fill this series. And likewise, I'm going to discuss about average formula is equal to average open bracket and select these subjects and then bracket. Now, what is this C3 to F3? This is the series that I'm going to select and then enter and click on this and then simply autofill this. These are some of the simple formulas of sum and average. If I am going to discuss about pass or fail, you have to learn about if or else. So is equal to if. If checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. Likewise, if I am selecting this and simply click on this. If average is greater than 45, comma, then this is pass and you have to write this in double quotes again, comma. If the average is less than 45, then it is fail. So there are two conditions. If the average is greater than 45, then it is pass, otherwise it is fail. You have to write pass or fail in double quotes, then bracket close and enter. You can see this is 45 and this is 40. Both numbers are less than 45, so these are fail, and others are pass. Likewise, if I am talk about the gradings, so this is also begins from is equal to if bracket, if total is greater than 60, then A grade, comma, if Again, this total is greater than 50, then it is B grade, comma, if total is greater than 40, then you will get C grade, and else you will achieve D grade. So there are three brackets that are open. So first bracket close, second bracket close, and third bracket close, and then enter. You will see the gradings here. Also, I am going to talk about the rank is equal to rank. It returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers, like is equal to rank. You will simply open the bracket, select any total or average column. Likewise, I am going to select total. Why I'm selecting total? Because you will get rank on the basis of the total. If your total is more, then you will get best rank or first grade. Like I'm selecting first number, then comma, then you have to select entire column and then bracket, enter. You will get second rank, but you will also get this type of problem here, like 111. Why is this so? So we have to discuss about this in detail. Like there's many problems in Excel. Likewise, in when we try to autofill some series, you have to absolute that number. Like I'm going to resolve this. Right click and clear content is equal to rank, bracket, select this, comma, select entire column and click on this and simply type F4. And again simply type F4 here. You will find $sign. These signs are used for absoluting the value. Then close the bracket and then enter. Here the problem is resolved completely. Now you can select the entire table and then apply all borders. And also I'm writing here student table, and then I'm selecting the entire columns. Then select merge and center. You will find your text is in center now. You can also apply colors by using theme colors. So this is all about the student table. Here we have discussed about total using is equal to sum formula, average using is equal to average formula, pass fail using is equal to if or else formula, and grading using multiple if statements, and rank using rank formula. So this is all about the student table. In the next video, I will like to discuss something about the employee table. So thank you very much.